Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Praxis Middle School English Language Arts Exam 5047? These questions are sample questions that specifically cover the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. The following is a feature in the monthly school newsletter. Our school's debate team achieved remarkable success at the recent Regional Debate Championship, outshining competitors and bringing home the trophy. This triumph is a testament to their hard work and dedication throughout the year, with hours spent in preparation and practice. The final round was a nail-biter, with our team's rebuttal earning a standing ovation from the audience. Team captain Alex Johnson remarked, "The victory was sweet, but all the learning and growth we experienced as a team was even more rewarding." The team extends their gratitude to Coach Ms. Lopez for her unwavering support and guidance. Which of the following best describes the purpose of the article? A, to entertain, B, to persuade, C, to inform, or D, to criticize. To entertain is to amuse or provide entertainment, and this is not what this feature is about. To persuade is to convince someone of something and try to make somebody believe something, usually with much effort. And that's not happening here either. To criticize, this is to indicate disapproval or dislike of something, and that certainly isn't the case here either. So lastly, we have to inform, which is providing facts about something. So this is exactly what this feature in the newsletter is, informing the rest of the student body about the results of the Regional Debate Championship. So C is the correct answer. Problem number 2. At the end of a unit on persuasive writing, students are assigned a final essay. Which of the following essay titles are most appropriate for a persuasive essay? Now let's look at some tips for choosing a title for a persuasive essay. The top tip is write the essay first. With your essay written, you will have the key facts at your fingertips to help find the right title. Ensure the title matches the tone of the essay, include key words, and keep it simple. So let's look at the possible answers. A history of ocean exploration. That sounds like an expository type of writing, informative, so not persuasive. The Amazing Life of My Grandpa. That's a biography, not a persuasive essay. How Combustion Engines Work. Again, informative, factual, not persuasive. Why art is as important as math. So you're trying to convince somebody of something in persuasive writing. And in this case, the writer is trying to persuade the reader that art is just as important as math. So this would be the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following is an essential feature of explanatory writing? Utilizing specialized jargon to ensure precision. Presenting information in a logical sequence. Focusing on the author's personal opinions and experiences. Writing in a narrative style to entertain the reader. What is explanatory writing? Some key features include logical order, cause and effect, words, terminology like first, then, subsequently, in conclusion, and it's most often written in present tense. So I think we can right away remove writing in a narrative style to entertain the reader, and focusing on the author's personal opinions and experiences. Next, we have utilizing specialized jargon to ensure precision. With the use of jargon, the writer risks confusing the reader with the use of obscure terms. So it might not be something everybody can understand. So it's best to avoid that. So presenting information in a logical sequence, check. And yes, this is the correct answer. Question number 4. During the 18th century, the economy of many nations in Europe was largely based on agriculture and small-scale industry. However, with the advent of the Industrial Revolution, there was a shift towards mechanization and factory production. This period saw a significant increase in technological innovation, leading to the development of steam engines, improved iron production methods, and the introduction of power looms. These advancements revolutionized the way goods were produced and had profound social and economic impacts. This passage provided is best described as what type of writing? Persuasive, descriptive, narrative, or expository? Let's look at definitions of each of these. Persuasive, and we've touched on this before, the purpose is to convince the reader of a particular opinion using arguments or compelling examples. And that's not happening here. We can cross that out. Descriptive writing, that creates a picture in the mind of the reader using vivid details and descriptions, and that's not happening here. We can eliminate that as well. Narrative writing, that tells a story. This isn't a story. This is history, it's facts. So it's not narrative writing either. What is expository writing? Fact-based writing using a thesis statement, evidence, information, explanation, and conclusion. And that's exactly what this passage is. Expository writing. I certainly hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the topics you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.